So hello everyone. I don't like the lighting. It's a new day here, and we are in Japanese place. We decided to try Japanese food. We decided to try Japanese food today. I will film. I am again a rice lover, and Alina is here for udon or anything like ramen, which is not mine, but of course I will try yours. As usual. Yeah. So let's check how it will be. To find this place was slightly hard because we go on the wrong street because I didn't show it. So okay. Yeah, and let's see how it will be. I hope it will be really delicious, and I will film exactly. I film already the menu, but I will film what we choose. Alina choose this udon soup with homemade shrimps tempura, and I choose katsu curry with breaded chicken. So it's like chicken and curry, the best combination. And for dessert, we want to try pearl de coco because it's 2 pieces. I will never try it, but we really love mochi, so we will check. So this is Alina's. Alina, please. Wow. I never saw such big shrimp. The plate, guys, it's huge. Look, this is my hand. Oh my god. And yeah, and here, my I don't know what is this, and it's really strange inside. And we ordered those perro de coco, and I think it should be cold. My first trying bingsu. Let's give it a chance. Okay. Wow. You should eat these more, not these, Alina. This ice is more important. Yeah, just melted ice. It's ice. So how is it? So delicious. Because you try it with bean or with this, no? So hello everyone, long time no see. Right now maybe we will go to a boat tour and one of my dreams will came true. So